How to create your website WhatsApp live chat. This live chat total dependent by the CSS format. Total CSS format. So most of the people are getting for WhatsApp live chat. But who will be understand developer coding? The base understanding for WhatsApp live chat. The live chat will be with the spin, without spin. This will be with the spin. The dotted your icon by WhatsApp. If anyone click the WhatsApp, they're mostly mobile friendly WhatsApp chat, not for desktop. When using for web.whatsapp, they can chat for web.whatsapp. So how to activate this kind of activation on your website? That is called, first of all, we can create the CSS file. Copy the total CSS file. This is mean by CSS file. Copy the code. Go to cPanel. Click for File Manager. Click for File Manager. In this File Manager, option call is public_HTML. Select it. In this option call is CSS. Select CSS. In this option call is font-awesome.min.css. Font-awesome.min.css. Right click. Click for edit. This code will be placed by total footer option. Where? Total footer option. Paste. Now click for save. Next one. Add your phone number. With the spin, without spin. Both option. With the spin and without spin. I'll show the two option. Copy. Paste. Total copy the division. Sometimes when update any code, it's not showing for version. That means you can update by CSS format. Old kind of website is so many facing problem by the WhatsApp live chat. That is called update by the CSS format. That almost dependent by your website version. Now running for 4.3 up to 4.2, 4.3 accepted by the WhatsApp live chat. 4.1 and below 1 not accepted by WhatsApp live chat. Select your back, close here, back. Which one? Public_HTML. Now index.html. Select your file. Complete, you can go for footer. Add your code will be complete footer. Why I'm not disturbing my website coding. HTML part. Paste it. Now refresh. Now click for refresh. Now click for refresh. See this. Icon accepted. The CSS will be old format. That is called the icon will be failure. So any version will be icon will be failure nothing but they update by your CSS format. So I'm click the icon. They're going to be website live chat. So the CSS will update by the developers. Update by the developers. So we can go for latest version. Go for latest version. I'll update here latest version. So I'm updating file here, but still the icon will be facing problem. This will be fixing by the developers using by option. So any WhatsApp live chat dependent by the CSS format. But our option will be we can give the code to the developer. They updating by CSS to activate by the WhatsApp live chat. This will be CSS code. This will be a chart code. So anyone after activate our SSL, they show WhatsApp, the show option will be like this after updating for CSS. After updating for CSS. In this, but I'll show for latest one. I'll show for latest one. This website any WhatsApp chat? No WhatsApp chat. I'll show the one more website. cPanel. So every website, CS is the mandatory field to update your website. So just I'm login for cPanel. In this, go for file manager. This option call is public underscore HTML. Select for CSS. What option call is font awesome win.css. Search your CSS file. Total go to footer. Sometimes footer will be not accepted. Go for copy for header also. Now click for save changes. After that, add your code. Where go to back, set it by the application. So based on the website, files will be loaded by your particular website. Footer.html. Select by code by here. Now click for save. You can see. You can check refresh. Now clear. This is called WhatsApp live chat. Any WhatsApp live chat, it will not showing will be proper icon. There is major problem is called CSS update. CSS update. I can update by CSS here. After changing font, they're showing for some icon. So once they will be modified, the icon will be enable your particular website. Same like this. This is called to activate WhatsApp live chat particular website. Please note down.